Hello, ma'am. Recording
Yes,
is
sir.
started now. Please
Yeah.
proceed.
One of my student is in waiting room, sir. Can you please admit him?
I'm,
Harshal Jagyasi is there.
I admitted him before, just 1 minute before.
Okay.
Please start.
Yeah. So good morning to all of you. This is the second session of the international telecollaboration between India and Bangladesh. And the topic of the today's session is introduction of the family and overview of the session. So we will start. I think we should start with the student first. And two of my students had made PPT for their family, and both the girls will tell about herself orally. I'm not catching the Harshal till now. Can you see? Can you just check once again, sir?
I'll try. His name is Harshad Jagas.
Yes, yes,
Yes, I.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. So first, I will start with the girls today. Afterwards, we will share the PPT. So, Divya, are you ready to give the introduction of your family? Good morning, Divya. Divya, you are not audible. Please unmute your mic. Divya, you are not audible, Divya. Okay, Nayan. I think there is some network problem. Nayan, you start first the introduction of your family.
Good morning, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today's topic is my family. I have a joint family. We have our own house in Harinagar, Bhusaval. I have 8 members in my family. The head of our family is Manohar Lal Sodai. He is an engineer. His eldest son is mm, an orthopedic surgeon in Pune. His name is Dr. Vivek Sodai. His younger son is MBBS studying in MBBS second year in Latur, and his name is Rahul Sodai. My aunt is a housewife. Um, her name is Bharti Sodai. My father is a chemist, and his name is Mukesh Sodai. My mother is a housewife. Before she was a school teacher, and her name is Reena Sodai. My younger brother name is Prachit Sodai. He is in nursery. He is very notorious and talkative and very sharp and grasp to take the things very fast. Thank you.
Thank you. Ma'am, I can hear you. I can hear you. Any problem?
मैम माइक अनम्यूट कीजिए।
Ma'am, please unmute. Ma'am, unmute herself. Yeah.
Divya, am I audible, Divya?
Yeah. You are audible at this moment.
Yes, Divya, can you start your introduction of the family? Your voice is not coming better. Okay, I request to Muskan now. to give the introduction of her family. Muskan.
Hello everyone.
Hello. Muskan.
Hello everyone. Myself Muskan Vaswani. I live in Bhusawal in Hurko Colony, and I have a nice sweet family. I live with my mom, my brother, my school teacher, and gives me a very nice guidance. My dad is a very supportive person, and my little brother is naughty, but he's very sweet. Very sweet boy. I love me really very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, Harshal Jagyasi will share. I am going to share the PPT of Harshal Jagyasi, and he will explain. Just a second, please.
आप शेयर नहीं कर सकते हो उधर.
Ma'am, can I share?
Yeah.
Just wait, Harshal.
Ma'am, मैं ही share
Sir,
करूँ?
yes, is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, sir, I am just doubtful about the thing. Can Harshal also share his screen as
Yeah.
he is not the host?
I allowed all participants to allow share screen before, so everyone can.
Okay, Harshal.
Sorry.
Okay, you allowed this. Harshal, you share your screen by yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, you can watch.
Yes, yes. It is seen on the screen. Go to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next slide, Harshal.
My family is a small family of 5 members. The 5 members are me, Harshal Jagyasi, my younger sister Sanjeevani Jagyasi, my father Ravi Jagyasi, my mother Lata Jagyasi, and my grandfather Baksha Jagyasi.
Harshal, your screen are not shown. Only one slide is there. Start the second slide, then explain.
And second slide is
Your screen is your PPT is not seen. Harshal, you just wait. I am showing your PPT, then you explain. Just stop this.
okay.
Wait a second. Can you see your PPT, Harshal?
No.
Okay, wait a second, please. Now, are you able to see?
Yeah. PPT is available now.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, wait
My
one more.
family is a
Yes,
family of
Harshal.
5 members. The five first me, Harshal Jagyasi, my younger sister Sanjeevani Jagyasi, my father Ravi Jagyasi, my mother Lata Jagyasi, and my grandfather Baksha Jagyasi. Ma'am, can you switch 2 seconds
Yes,
slide? Yes.
yes, yes.
His father he is head of our house. My grandfather is head of our house. My grandfather was principal of R.S. Adarsh High School. Now he is retired. He is very good in Hindi subject.
Good.
Ma'am, please to third slide.
Third one. Yes, I have
He,
changed.
he is my father. My father is a serviceman. He works as a servant in Ordnance Factory, Bhusawal. My father's education is SSC passed.
Yes,
He is my she is my
I have
mother.
changed.
She is my mother. My mother looks after our home. She works very hard whole day. My mother is graduate in commerce. My mother is from Bhopal, MP.
Yes.
She is my younger sister. My sister is youngest in our house. She is very good in studies as well as sports. She is studying in third class.
Very good. Yes.
Earning source. Father has a job in ordnance factory. Grandfather is retired principal of Adas Adas High School. It is a government school, so he gets pension every month. My family's annual income is about 10 lakhs every year.
Very good.
Yes, Harshal. Next.
Yes, ma'am. We live in Sindhi Colony, Nanak Nagar, Bhusawal. It is an urban area. We have our own house. Our neighbors are very good by nature. They help us. We learn sympathy and civic sense from our elders.
Good, Harshal.
Very good, Harsha. Thank you.
Now, Mohit Tilwani. There is one another PPT of Mohit Tilwani, sir.
Okay.
Mohit, I am sharing your screen. Okay. Mohit, can you
Yes,
listen
ma'am.
me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just a second, Mohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mohit, can you see in the screen?
No, ma'am.
1 minute.
No. Wait.
It will come very soon. Just wait.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Cinevel.
My
Okay.
family. Ma'am, I
Yes,
can
Mohit.
start. In my family, there are 10
Yes.
members, including me. I live in joint family. My uncle, aunt, mom, dad, three sisters, and one cousin brother, and one sister.
Okay.
Ma'am, next.
Yes.
My parents.
I changed.
My father do a private job, and my mother is a homemaker. My parents support me in everything. My parents are world best parents. Ma'am, next. Uncle and aunt. My uncle is present principal of RS Adarsh High School and my aunt is housewife. My uncle and aunt is very kind and humble. Ma'am, next.
Sir, let me explain you. He is the principal of our school right now.
Oh, very
His
good.
uncle is our principal, the principal of the school. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Mohit.
Siblings. I have five siblings. There are three sisters, one cousin brother, and one cousin sister. My elder sister completed BE Computer and doing job. Second elder sister completed MBA. Third elder sister is pursuing SY BCom. My cousin sister is married, and my cousin brother completed BA Computer, and he is software engineer. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Mohit.
Thank you, Mohit. Very good
Thank you,
presentation.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Now I request to Divya, your voice is not coming. Unmute your mic and give the introduction of your family, Divya.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello,
audible.
ma'am.
Yes, now you are audible now.
Yes, ma'am. I have a wonderful family. There, in my family, there are my grandparents, father, mother, and my brother and one sister. My my grandfather is head of my family. My father is a businessman, and my mother is a housewife. My father is hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
you're audible.
yes.
My father is a businessman, and my mother is my housewife. My sister is in ninth standard, and my young brother is in senior KG standard. I love my family very much. I love to spend my time more to my family. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good, Divya. Sir, let me tell about my students.
Okay.
All my 4 and 5 students are very studious, and they are the toppers of the school. And they took in each and every activity since childhood, not from now. And they are very obedient students. Sir, now I am starting my PPT to introduce myself
Of
and
course.
my family.
Of course, ma'am.
Sir, can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. So this is the International Telecollaboration Project between India and Bangladesh teacher organized by Eco Training Center, Sweden, District Institute of Education and Training, Nasik, Zilla Parishad Jalgaon, Government of India and Bangladesh. Myself, Sarita Vaswani, I am an assistant teacher of RS Adarsh High School, conducted by Adarsh Education Society, Bhusawal, Maharashtra. Here, the telecollaboration between you and me, sir.
Okay, thank you.
This is the second session. So I have 2 elder sisters and 1 elder brother. My both sisters are housewives. One is living in Bhopal and another is in Varanasi. My elder brother is a businessman living in Varanasi. Right now I am living in a single family. My husband is a businessman. He has a mobile shop. I have 2 children, 1 daughter and a son. My daughter has completed SSC this year and my son is just a 6-year-old studying in standard first in my school. I live in Sindhi Colony, Nanak Nagar, Bhusawal, Maharashtra, India. The earning source of my family is that I am a teacher in high school and my husband is a businessman. So that was a short introduction of my family, and that's all I want to say about my family. Sir, this next session will start after, I think, 10 minutes.
Okay, no problem.
7:25 here in India, and the timing of the second meeting is 7:30. Okay.
Okay.
So I think we should start our next session in 5 minutes. We can take a break of 5 minutes,
Okay,
and then we will rejoin with the.
I can converting video in this moment. Okay.
Okay, you need to take time for 5 to 7 minutes. Yeah. So we are leaving right now, students. We will join after 5 minutes with the next link. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I couldn't send my video and screenshot at this moment because I will very busy after some time. Divisional commissioner and district chairman is visiting our school and our library, so I will send you later. Any problem?
Yes, sir.
I need permission to. Maybe net problem. I need to permission screen sharing. Please give me permission to screen share. Hello, ma'am.
I have given you permission.
But
Yes, check, sir. I have given you.
Thank you. Hi, everybody. How are you?
Good.
Very good morning, everyone.
Yes, you. We can see your screen, sir.
Okay, thank you. This is our second session, India Bangladesh collaboration. And before we heard your PPT and discuss about your family, and thank you all. Now I am starting our family and anywhere. This is Sarita Vijay Ushami, Maharashtra, India. Thank you. And I am Mohammad Nazmul Huda. It discussed before. Now I am next. Going to next. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Maybe net problem. So we are four siblings, two sisters and two brothers. My elder brother was a banker in Bangladesh Bank. He lives in Khulna town. His qualification is BSc. Now he is 63 years. He has also one son. He is also a banker. My elder sister is a school teacher. She lives in Baghat Upazila. Her qualification is BA, B.Ed. My another sister is a housewife. She lives in Fokirhat Upazila at a rural area. She is housewife and her qualification is SSC. I am also younger member of my family. That time I am Mr. Nazmul Huda, and you should to know me. My family members, head of my family members is my mother. She is near about 90 years old. After that, my wife, Jahanara, her name is Jahanara. She is housewife. My elder son, Nafiul Nabil, he is 12 years old and reading class 5. My younger son is Shafiul Sahil. He is 10 years old and reading class 3. I live in a rural area. My village name is Maskata. Our post office Betaga, Upazila Fokirhat, district Bagerhat. It's a rural area. I live in own house. Earning source of my family, my teaching profession and agriculture. Please give me some time for taking screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, our topics is most important topics is this collaboration is sustainable development goal, that is SDG. I want to try my best to discuss about this. The Sustainable Development Goals SDG or global goals are a collection of 17 interlinked global goals designed to be a blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. The SDG were set up in 2015 by the United Nations General Assembly, intended to be achieved by the year 2030. It is most important. SDG number 1 is no poverty in all its forms everywhere. Achieving SDG number 1 would end extreme poverty globally by 2030. SDG has 17 goals. We should know all about it. SDG 17 has 17 goals, 19 targets and 24 indicators. I will discuss about next sessions about 17 goals, 19 targets and 24 indicators next session. Now we discuss about 21st century skills, that is critical thinking, creativity, collaboration and communication. This is learning skills. There are literary skills also. It is information, media and technology. We have also some life skill, flexibility, leadership, initiative, productivity, social skills. Now I am trying to discuss about 4 skills, that is critical thinking, creativity, collaboration and communication. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Learning skills, that is called 4 Cs, teaches students about the mental process required to adapt and improve on a modern work environment. I think this is most important both of our teachers and students. Literary skills focus on how students can discern facts, publishing outlets, and technology behind them. There's a strong focus on determining trustworthy sources and factual information to separate it from the misinformation that floods the internet. Life skills take a look at intangible elements of a student's everyday life. These Intangibles focus on both personal and professional qualities. All together, these categories cover all 12 21st century skills that contribute to a student's future career. Both of all skills are important for our teachers and especially our students. So we all should know about this. 21st century skills. 4C, that is communication, collaboration and teamwork, critical thinking and creativity. Communication is talking to others. Collaboration, working with others. Critical thinking means finding solution to problems. Creativity means thinking outside the box. Just a moment, please. Communication is simply the act of transferring information from one place, person, or group to another. Every communication involves at least one sender, a message, and a recipient. This may sound simple, but communication is actually a very complex subject. The transmission of the message from sender to recipient can be affected by a huge range of things. These include our emotions, the cultural situations, the medium used to communicate, and even our location. I think this is the most important things for our students to communicate each other every moment and every lifetime. Okay. Collaboration and teamwork. Collaboration can be thought of either a process or an outcome of joint activity. Collaboration skills are both generic and context specific in that the collaborative skills themselves do not typically vary across content areas. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Critical thinking is third ones. Critical thinking is the ability to think clearly and rationally about what to do or what to believe. It includes to engage in reflective and independent thinking. Last one is creativity. Creativity is the act of turning new and imaginative ideas into reality. Creativity is characterized by the ability to perceive the world in new ways, to find hidden patterns, to make connections between seemingly unrelated phenomena, to generate solutions. Thanks.
Thank you so much, sir,
Thank you.
for sharing your PPT and explaining about the sustainable goals, which are very, very useful, I think, for the students also. Uh, Sustainable development goal is the topic of our session. Though there are 17 sustainable goals, but in our 14 and 15 section, we will discuss about 7 only. That is no poverty. Second is zero hunger. Third one is good wealth and well-being. Fourth one is quality education. Fifth is gender equality. And the sixth is clean water and sanitation. Seventh will be affordable and clean energy. So we will discuss about these 7
Yeah.
sustainable development goals within our 14 sessions, and collaborate each other and share our culture with with you and our students. Sir, I just wanted to request you, as my students want, some student from Bangladesh, they want to meet uh, your country students. So is
I'll
it possible for you in the next session?
I'll try my best, because after it they they were they went to meet their relatives. At this moment, you know that this is the biggest
Is there
festival.
holiday? Is there holiday in? Okay, okay. Is there holiday in Bangladesh for
No, no,
students?
no, no. Yes, there.
Yes.
Eid holiday. But
Okay, if it will be possible, then you just
I don't
we
understand
are connecting with
this.
internet and students can yeah,
I don't understand that
they
our
can join on internet online.
record may be stopped.
Yes, yes,
Sorry, madam. I think I don't understand. Record may be stopped.
yes.
Uh,
You should. Yeah, yeah.
uh,
Stop the recording, sir.
no, I think that I have some problem also, internet problem, or
Okay, okay.
but I think
So okay, thank you, sir.
I think there
I
is
think we
no.
should stop
Sorry,
here.
please tell me. I think recording is not my record. This session is do not be recorded. Maybe I don't
I
know.
can see there is recording
Okay,
on the top.
okay, okay, no problem. But I don't see that. The network is
Okay.
problem also.
And
If you
okay,
see,
I am just watching on my mobile.
okay, if you see,
Yes,
you
yes,
can
there
see, you
is.
can see recording is progressive.
Yes, yes, it
Okay, no
is
problem.
progressive, I think. Yeah. So, thank you, sir. If there will be problem, then we will take the this session again. But just I am just stopping this session because of there are so many network issues from my side and yours. Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank
for
you
each
also,
and everything.
and thank you
Okay, we
everybody
will
to cooperate me.
again meet. Okay. Okay, student. Shall we stop now?
Okay,
Yes.
Okay, sir.
please end. Please end.